Manilal was a trader, a honest and a trusted man. He worked hard and made a lot of money. He used to keep his hard-earned money in a bag and keep this bag locked up in a trunk next to his bed.
I remember locking the trunk last night. This is strange. Oh my God! God!
Yes, sir. What happened?
My money has been stolen. Did you notice someone strange around the house last night?
No, sir. I saw no one.
I am ruined. I have lost everything. What will I do now? How will I ever get it back?
Sir, why don't you go to the Emperor Akbar? He may be able to help you.
Yes. I think I'll have to do that. And so when I got up in the morning, I saw that all my money was gone. Now, Your Majesty, I'm hoping you could help me get my money back.
It is quite sad. But don't you worry. We shall get to the bottom of this matter. Birbal, I want you to look into this matter.
Yes, Your Majesty. Manilal, do you suspect anyone who would do this? I think it has to be someone from your house, as no outsider could have gotten away with this without getting caught. Besides, the thief knew exactly where you hid your keys too.
Sir, all my servants have been with me for many, many years, and they have always been honest and loyal. And besides, I have no proof to even suspect anyone.
Birbal, you think you'll be able to solve this case with no witnesses or evidence available?
I most certainly can, Your Majesty. But for that, I would like to be excused from the court for half an hour.
Certainly, Birbal.
Thank you, Your Majesty. In the meantime, Manilal, I want you to get all your servants and guards to the court.
As you wish, Raja Birbal.
Birbal, why have you brought this bunch of sticks to the court?
I'll explain to you in a moment, Your Majesty. First, I want all of you to pick up one stick and keep it with you. Your Majesty, these are magical sticks. I got them as gift from a sage who got them straight from the gods after years of meditation. These sticks of the same length have the most amazing power. The one kept with the thief will grow by an inch by tomorrow morning, and we shall know who he is.
Are you sure these are truly magical sticks, Birbal?
Yes, Your Majesty, I have tried them out several times.
In that case, I want all of you to be back in the court tomorrow morning with the sticks. Birbal, let's find out if the culprit is amongst them.
Certainly, Your Majesty. Would you all please hand me the sticks so that I can measure them? Your Majesty, it's the guard who is the thief. Your Majesty, his stick is exactly an inch shorter than the others. These are not magical sticks. These are just ordinary sticks all cut to the same length. As he's a thief, he thought that his stick will grow by an inch, so he cut it an inch shorter.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. Please forgive me. I confess, I stole the money from my master's room. And yesterday, when Raja Birbal spoke about the magic sticks, I got very scared. So I thought if I cut the stick by 1 inch, I shall be saved. I needed the money very badly, and I'm sorry for what I did. I have not spent anything yet, and will return the whole amount back immediately.
Your Majesty, I shall eternally be grateful to you for helping me get my money back. Thank you, Your Majesty.
But you must thank Birbal, without whose help we would not have solved this case.
Thank you, Raja Birbal. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Majesty.